At the quiet dawn of our planet, when possibilities stretched endless before us, early human curiosity ignited a flame, forging a path towards our future. In this dawn of discovery, the simple flicker of fire chased away darkness and opened gates to untold wonders, allowing for cooking, protection, and the melting of metals. The invention of the wheel propelled us further, easing physical labor and connecting civilizations, marking not just moments of ingenuity, but the birth of scientific thought. From these early advances, our journey of relentless understanding began, with curiosity as the beacon guiding humanity through the ages of discovery. As we navigate the annals of history, we emerge into the classical formulation, a pivotal era bridging past and future scientific frontiers. In this chapter, we explore the profound contributions of Greek philosophers, Arab scholars, and Renaissance thinkers. Each group laid critical foundations that would underpin modern science, challenged the unknown, the known, and the Arabs enhanced and expanded these philosophies in their grand. The Renaissance thinkers, fueled by the wisdom of their predecessors, catapulted science into a new age. This intellectual triad set the stage for the Enlightenment, showcasing the power of curiosity and the enduring human spirit in our pursuit of knowledge. Traversing from ancient wisdom and Renaissance breakthroughs, we enter the Age of Enlightenment, a period that marked a significant leap in our scientific quest. The revelation of Newton's laws redefined our cosmos, while the discovery of electricity powered the wheels of progress anew. Amidst these, the theory of evolution challenged our understanding of life, connecting all living beings through natural selection. These milestones heralded the dawn of modern science, laying groundwork for the explorations that followed. As we delve into physics, biology, chemistry, and astronomy, we continue our tale into the age of modern marvels, demonstrating how Enlightenment ideation propelled us into an era of unparalleled discovery. In the modern age of marvels, the 20th and 21st centuries shine brightly with unparalleled breakthroughs. The revelation of DNA's double helix offered insights into the blueprint of life, transforming medicine and paving the path for future innovations. Meanwhile, space exploration expanded our horizons beyond Earth, fueling our cosmic curiosity. Quantum computing, emerging from these achievements, promises to revolutionize our approach to complex problems, hinting at a future where our capabilities are boundless. As we continue to unravel the universe's mysteries, we find ourselves on the brink of discoveries in sustainable energy, gene editing, and interstellar travel, eager to redefine humanity's future. Standing on the precipice of discovery, we look towards a future where sustainable energy aligns with nature, gene editing heralds a new era of health, and interstellar travel expands our cosmic boundaries. These aspirations, rooted in centuries of curiosity and innovation, speak to our unyielding desire to push beyond known limits. As this chapter of scientific exploration draws to a close, a new narrative awaits, crafted by the next generation of thinkers and dreamers. The journey of discovery, far from ending, embarks anew, driven by our perpetual quest for knowledge. Join us as we step into a future illuminated by the pursuit of understanding, where every breakthrough lights the path ahead.